Alright, I just arrived to a customer's car right here. They're doing a brake job, and the job took a turn on them. So we're gonna look right here, and it looks like the caliper bolt got seized, and attempted to grind it off. Which, you know, sometimes things happen. So what I'm gonna do right here is I gotta take this off. So I'm gonna crimp this, remove it, and put this caliper on the vise right here, because I don't want to break tear this line, or just like I have better working environment. And then we bleed it and put all this back together for them real quick. Okay, so I'm going to show you the process of what I do to remove something in this manner without having to go in and replace the caliper. Okay, so we got that crimped. All right, so we're gonna need to bleed the whole thing, but this should slow down the brake fluid from falling in here. So I'm gonna break that off. Looks like it's about a 12. Let's get that guy off. All right, so let's see what we got in here. These little sockets right here are pretty awesome. Let's see if we can get one of them to fit. Alright, that's pretty close. So if it's damaged anyways, we're gonna hammer that way on there. Just kind of wedge it on there. Yeah, just like that. Get Thor over here. It's already damaged, so just get it on there. I gotta readjust the vise. Some of these jobs are unpredictable, so I put my monkey wrench in there to kind of wedge give it some steel to steel, so make sure this guy's on there good. That's pretty close. Let's keep going a little bit more. Let's try to get it on there. A little bit better. Alright, I put some torque on there. Yeah, to give it some force. And that's it. Problem solved. Yeah, this is a Irwin. I got this kit at AutoZone. It's pretty awesome, dude. So it'll really help you guys out. So the guy attempted to grind that off. But it was just seized. So that's it. I'm gonna put the new hardware on there, and I'll show you how it looks when it's done. Watch this. So this is how it looked. So there's one goes there. You know, this is the second one. Goes right here. We're gonna be good to go. I'll show you how it's done. I hope that helps you. Yeah, this really works, but just make sure you get a good grip at the bottom, okay? Because you only got one chance, because if you go and it goes, it's like doesn't got good threads, it's gonna twist it, it's gonna strip it even worse, and if this don't fit on it, you're gonna be in more trouble. You have to grind it down to the lower level, and then it just ruins the integrity of the actual hardware, okay? So hopefully it helps. Take care. put a little lead over right here on the screw. The gentleman put his pads in here already. So we're gonna get some grease. I like to put a little bit of grease in here because you're supposed to. Okay, slice cloud like that. Put this in there, and sometimes these things get dry, and you just gotta. They get dry, and they'll start to seize, get stuck, and you'll get premature wear on your rotors because you know your caliper's not floating nicely. So you gotta make sure you just grease it real nice, and then you gotta do it for both sides. One's gonna have like kind of like a bushing on it, and then one's just gonna be like a free floater. Sometimes they both have it, but just get the grease and just feed it in there so it won't be Alright, what's going on here? Oh yeah, look at that pad. Ooh, you just caught it just in time. That's all. Alright, just know this job was already halfway done. So this is a little surprise. Oh yeah. 20. It is. Should get this, loosen this back way up right here. Mechanics, you never know. Key is to always be patient, because if you're trying to hurry up, they already lost the battle. Just try to be patient and just see it through. If you do it right, it's going to be there for a while. You don't have to worry about it. So here we go. We got this one out. Should get the grease. I'm a little low on my tube right here. I like to leave it in the tube so I don't have to always stick my finger in there. Since this is a new one, I'm gonna pack a little bit of extra grease in there. Perfect. Got a good bite on here. That's a good suction on there. So now So goes in like that. Pop it a little bit. Okay. Looking good. Lean it. Let's put the new pads on here that this guy has right here for me. Since the back pad is bad, take that guy off. New pad on there. And I think he already put the other pad on there. See, I put the new pads on for the guy. And then this should slide in here like that. Make sure you got good suction on there. That looks good. And then don't forget to tighten these calipers back up so don't move forward until these. Put this guy back in there. Looks like it's going to be a 19. Go back and tighten that up. Put a little bite on it. You'll feel it. And right here, you're almost done. I don't have to go too tight on this part right here because, well, you gotta go tight, but not too tight because then this is like galvanized. So once you strip it or you seize it, it's just gonna have problems. Perfect. All right. That's that. We're done. Yeah, hopefully that helps you out, man. Just be careful on those threads. It's better to just do take a little bit of time and not strip those bolts, because then you get in trouble and you just added some time to your job for no reason. Okay. All right. Take care. Thanks for watching. No damage. Pretty good. Solid tool. There's the junk.